Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to talk about width and height. What I mean by width and height is basically we I created just okay, let's give an illustration. Like I highlighted some stuff in the previous videos. I show you once I done that, you will see I create a header. Okay, let's put header h4 and I close this one with \h4, and in this one I'm typing my name is Taliban. My name is Taliban. Okay, now that's here, and when I refresh, it's my name is Taliban, and I want to put a background for this one. Okay, to do the background I go inside the style, and since I want to put a background for h4, I put h4 first, and then in the curly bracket I put background color. It doesn't matter whether it's caps lock or small letter. Like you wonder whether will it work with caps lock and stuff. This is not case sensitive. You can put caps lock h4 or small letter, it doesn't matter. Okay, so that's why I left capital H4 as it is. And background color, that's what we are going to change. Background dash color, let's put something like red, and then semicolon. I close the curly bracket. Now when I refresh this one, now you can see we have a background, like we have a highlight with a red color. It's going forever. You know, if you expand this website, it's gonna go forever until the web page end. Let's put my name into white. Okay, black is a little bit doesn't look very clear. I changed to white, so I put color again, colon white, semicolon, and when I refresh this one, my letter is going to become white. Okay, now I want to just limit this red line, red background going forever. I want to limit to a certain limit. That's what the width and height are for. Now if you want to do in x-axis, that's width. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just type width and put some pixel, and you can adjust pixel according to what you want. Okay, width, and then colon, here I put like 350 pixel, and then close it. Now when I refresh this one, you can see the red line stop right here because we limited it. We can even reduce it as you want, and same as that we can change the height. To do the height, it's same approach, height, and then colon, whatever the height you want. I put just 150 pixel, and then semicolon. Now if you refresh this one, you can see the height is changing. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a background, like this is what my topic is, but I'm gonna do one thing extra. That is, I'm gonna create a border with a black line, solid black line. Okay, border, I put the border like 3 pixel, and then solid black, and then semicolon. Now when I refresh this one, you can see I get a border with a solid black line around it. And that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.